Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're enjoying things. Oh, got stuck on the wall. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're enjoying things so far. Lots going on with the car. I think it's, oh my God, my extra isn't working at all. We're back at the shop for another day, working on the Charger. And Tim is absent today. He's at home with his family, hanging out, having a good time. But I've got Mimi down here. She's going to do some recording. Ron is back as usual.
Yep.
Rear end is out. We're going to start doing some cutting of brackets and stuff like that, and start working on the 4-link that ended up showing up last week. Got our arms right there. So yeah, we're all set and ready to go. Our special giant extension cord. Oh no! Oh, we've lost the wheel on our cart. Okay, so maybe we'll explain what we're gonna do here before we start doing it. Ron, you wanna tell Mimi what we're up to?
Well, we're gonna cut all this rusted parts out and make some new panels for this, but I gotta modify this inner fender well a bit here.
Wow!
What I do is I tack it, and then I zip disc it to butt weld it so it fits perfect. Just put a cut there with the zip disc, weld it flush.
Oh, it's killer.
Yeah, and then flopper wheel it, you won't ever notice it.
And just to think, when we picked the car up, we figured we'd have to cut all these off, but we saved them instead.
Isn't that a shear right there?
Yes, it is. Might as well use it,
Yeah,
right?
we might need it.
You didn't know it was there?
Well, the problem is that everything's been so congested over here in the last little while that once we took the wall down and stuff, just kind of getting ourselves organized. I think we don't even need to spin it, right? Just cut it right here like this. Like that?
Sure. Doesn't feel that straight there, but it's better than the door jam where I used to use it.
That's right.
Yeah. I can do this side, doesn't matter.
Sure. Well, oh yeah, because I don't want to. You want that.
Wow. I still got lots of room to play with there. So what we're doing was, I made this tool up a long time ago. What it does is it steps the metal in. So when you put it on there, weld the overlap. So you can smooth out your weld at the end.
No problem.
Good?
Yep.
I just gotta cut these inner fender pieces down because our links are gonna hit it. Clean up all the mess. Yeah. Put it on the table that you just cleaned off. Like that.
Need this grinder?
Oh, I need the rear end.
What's that?
I need the rear end.
Oh, I got one more piece and then we're good to go. Two.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find center. It's not centered. Look at, there's my center. It's offset. So if you want to use this housing,
Yeah.
you gotta cut this side. We're gonna change the axles.
Yeah, because
So-
the axles are screwed anyway.
So literally this is your center, that bolt there. So you go off your backing plate, so it's 26.
Yeah.
And then you gotta go off this backing plate, which is, you gotta cut the end of your tube and move it in. Because it'll be still up.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
We've run into a little bit of a problem with the rear end.
A snag?
Yes. It came out of a 4-wheel drive, right?
It came out of a truck. I don't know if it was a 4-wheel drive or not, though.
The pumpkin's offset.
Yes, they all are on 9-inch.
Okay.
But the one tube on one side is 4 inches longer than the other side.
Yeah, the pumpkin, see, I asked him before I bought it off him. And it was supposed to be
Hold on.
a compatible one. So if it's that far
Oh, he's on.
out,
You wanna show them how far
what's
it
the
is?
offset on the pumpkin itself?
Okay, well here.
So literally this is your center bolt, right here, that's center. So it's 26. You see that?
Yep.
28 and 3/4.
29 and 26,
Well, 28 and 3/4 and 26. It's gotta
I'll have to
move.
find another rear end. It won't matter because that 4-link kit is just to put on whatever, right? It wasn't for...
Yeah, it would fit any kind of.
Yeah,
Is
it's
there
on.
one, Ron, you still have that, or did you use that drive line from that red pickup?
I use that drive line.
No, you did use that drive line?
Yeah. Because I was thinking about if I had one, I don't have one.
1 hour later.
We went for a drive to kind of clear our heads, and in that meantime, Tim did some internet researching. It appears as though the best thing to do is just keep the rear end that we have. We'll gut it, and then we're going to shorten one side by a few inches because apparently that's the way it's usually done.
There we go.
I'll feel that tomorrow. Oh, I can already feel it, but... There we go.
Is oil gonna come flying out of there?
Yeah. Probably here. Hold on one-
This is your axle shaft. Right there. Tight there. Right there. Good. 26 on the inside.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Said 3 inches. 3 inches.
Yeah.
Just snap it off. Just a little lip. Get rid of the get rid of that burr right there. Got a seam in there on the tube. Lots of playing around here, eh? Oh yeah, we'll get it in there.
Still a little bit more?
It's gonna fit.
Look at that.
So 50 and 8, let's go on the opposite side. Yeah, we're square.
Yeah?
Let's just go across the top of it. Inside.
So, right now, what do we got going on, Ron?
We squared up the rear end. We got it all lined up, ready to start welding the 4-link on.
So what we did was you just welded 2 rods across the frame,
just to keep it level.
and then welded the rear end to the rods.
Yeah.
So then the next plan is, I think you've got over here.
I got the 4-link, half of it underneath the car.
Part of the 4-link is right there. That was what we were hoping to get on today before we ran into the challenge of shortening that rear end. But those things do happen, right? And like I had said earlier, it's kind of one of those things where we'd never done it before. You'd never done it before, right? Had you?
Do what? Shorten the rear end?
Shorten around like that?
Bigger trucks.
But nothing like this?
No, nothing small.
So, otherwise, I guess that is pretty much it. We'll be back next week to work on it some more and hopefully get this in and hanging, which is another huge part of the whole build process. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're enjoying everything that's going on with the Charger. We're having a lot of fun doing it. Same thing with working on the Chev. Make sure to click the like button, make sure to click the subscribe button, and that way you get to stay up to date with everything that's been going on. Now I get to go and count splines for Tim so he can order a set of axles for that rear end. Have a good one, everybody.